I imagine finally drifting off to sleep and staying there all night long. No more tossing, turning, or rushing to the bathroom in the dark. If you're over 55 and tired of those frustrating nighttime wake-ups, this simple fruit could change everything for you. Today, we're talking about eating bananas the right way to sleep deeply through the night and cut down on that pesky nighttime urination, or nocturia as we call it in medicine. You see, as we get older, our bladders can become more sensitive, our sleep cycles shift, and minerals like potassium and magnesium start to dip, leading to muscle spasms, urgency, and interrupted rest. But bananas are packed with these exact nutrients, plus tryptophan for making melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. Hi, I'm Dr. John Smith. Let's start with why this works so well for us seniors. Studies show that older adults eating bananas daily for just 2 weeks had fewer sleep disturbances. One study from Japan found seniors adding bananas to their evening routine saw a 34% drop in nighttime bathroom trips after 6 weeks. And a recent trial with bedtime bananas improved sleep scores and even boosted REM sleep time. The magic nutrients are potassium, which relaxes your bladder muscles like a gentle hug, stopping those false urgency signals. Magnesium calms nerves and eases cramps that wake you up. Tryptophan teams up with vitamin B6 in bananas to create serotonin and melatonin, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep. Even better, their fiber stabilizes blood sugar so you don't wake up hungry or crash. But here's the key. It's not just any banana any time. Eat it wrong, like too many or too close to bed, and the natural sugars or fiber might cause bloating or more trips. The right way? About 60 to 90 minutes before bed. 1 small to medium banana half, if you're sensitive. This timing lets your body absorb the goodness without overload. Make it even better by pairing it smartly. Slice that banana and add a teaspoon of almond or peanut butter for healthy fats that slow digestion and steady blood sugar. Or mash it with a splash of warm milk. Studies show this combo slashes insomnia scores and ups total sleep time. A sprinkle of cinnamon adds flavor and helps regulate blood sugar too. The ideal banana bedtime routine. For most older adults, 1 small or medium banana in THE evening is enough. Eat it about 60 to 90 minutes before bed so your body has time to digest and absorb the calming minerals and tryptophan without feeling heavy or bloated when you lie down. Here's a simple routine you can follow most nights of the week. Stop drinking large amounts of fluids 2 to 3 hours before bed, especially water, tea, or soup in big quantities. Avoid caffeine and alcohol after late afternoon, because both irritate the bladder and increase urine production. About 1 to 1.5 hours before sleep, have your banana-based snack, then try to keep additional fluids very small, just a few sips if your mouth is dry. This combination reduces how much urine your body makes at night while still giving your brain and muscles the nutrients from the banana to help you stay asleep. 3 senior-friendly banana sleep snacks. You don't need anything fancy. These 3 options are gentle on digestion and easy to prepare, even if you live alone. 1. Plain evening banana. Eat half to 1 medium-ripe banana, slowly, about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This suits you if you have diabetes or are watching sugar. You can start with half and see how your blood sugar responds. 2. Banana with nut butter. Slice a banana and add about 1 teaspoon of peanut or almond butter. The healthy fats help slow sugar absorption and keep you full longer, which can prevent early morning hunger wakings. This is especially helpful if you find yourself waking up at 3 to 4 a.m., feeling a bit hungry or shaky, which can be a blood sugar dip. 3. Warm banana sleep mash. With milk, lightly warm a little milk and mash half to 1 banana into it. Clinical research shows that banana plus milk at bedtime improves sleep quality and increases total sleep time in people with insomnia, likely because both provide tryptophan and support melatonin production. If you tend to get gassy, start with half a banana and a small cup of milk to test your tolerance. In all of these, aim for a light snack, not a heavy meal. Overfilling the stomach or taking in lots of fluid close to bedtime can still trigger nocturia, even if the food itself is healthy. Why bananas may calm nighttime urination? Now you might be wondering, how can a simple banana affect my bladder? Let's connect the dots in simple terms. Potassium. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps muscles, including the bladder muscle, relax more normally and reduces irritability and spasms that create sudden urges. Magnesium. This mineral supports nerve and muscle relaxation and is linked with better sleep quality and fewer nighttime awakenings. Sleep hormones. Bananas provide tryptophan and vitamin B6, which the body uses to make serotonin and melatonin, helping you fall asleep and stay asleep longer. Better, more continuous sleep naturally reduces how often you wake up and notice bladder sensations. At the same time, a calmer nervous system and less bladder spasm may reduce the intensity of those urgent signals that send you running to the toilet at 2 a.m. Important safety notes for seniors. As a doctor, I want you to enjoy the benefits of bananas safely, especially if you have other health conditions. You should be more cautious and talk with your doctor or dietitian before making bananas a nightly habit if you have chronic kidney disease or are on dialysis, because your kidneys may not clear potassium effectively. You take certain blood pressure or heart medications which can already raise potassium levels. You've been told to follow a low potassium diet or have had high potassium on blood tests. For most healthy older adults, 1 banana a day does not cause dangerous potassium levels, but those with kidney or heart problems must individualize their plan with their doctor. If you notice new swelling in your legs, unusual heartbeat, or increasing weakness, seek medical advice promptly. Nighttime urination. Bananas plus smart habits. Bananas can be a helpful tool, but they work best as part of a full nighttime routine. Evidence-based strategies to reduce nocturia in older adults include limiting total fluid intake in the 2 to 3 hours before bed, while drinking enough earlier in the day so you are not dehydrated. Cutting back on evening caffeine and alcohol, which both make the kidneys produce more urine and irritate the bladder lining. Reducing excess salt in the diet, which can cause your body to pull fluid into the bloodstream and increase urine production at night. Elevating your legs for an hour or so in the evening. This helps shift fluid from your legs back into circulation earlier, so you pass more urine before bed instead of during the night. When you add a correctly timed banana snack onto these habits, you're addressing both sides of the problem. Less urine produced at night and a calmer, more relaxed nervous system that allows deep, continuous sleep. Foods that team up with bananas. Bananas are fantastic on their own, But adding these complementary foods can amplify the potassium, magnesium, and calming effects for even better results. Aim for small portions in the evening to support your bladder without overloading fluids. A handful of almonds packed with magnesium to relax bladder nerves alongside your banana's potassium. Walnuts or pumpkin seeds, rich in melatonin and tryptophan for deeper sleep. Add a few to your banana snack. Spinach or leafy greens in dinner, high in magnesium and fiber to stabilize blood sugar and reduce urgency. Avoid bladder irritants like caffeine, alcohol, fizzy drinks, and spicy or acidic foods after noon, as they counteract your banana's benefits. Daily habits to lock in the results. To make your banana routine even more powerful, weave in these simple senior-friendly habits. Elevate your legs in the evening. Sit with legs up on a pillow for 30 to 60 minutes before your banana snack to drain leg. Fluid and cut nocturia by up to 1 trip per night. Cut evening fluids. No big drinks after 6 p.m. Just small sips if needed. Your banana provides gentle hydration. Bladder training. Before bed, pee, wait 30 seconds, and pee again to empty fully. Consistent bedtime routine. Dim lights. Relax with light reading or stretching 30 minutes before bed to boost melatonin. Real stories from seniors like you. I've seen this work wonders in my practice. Take Margaret, 68, who was up 3 times a night. After 2 weeks of evening bananas with almond butter and leg elevation, she slept through finally feeling energized in the mornings. Or Tom, 72, who paired banana milk with no evening tea. His trips dropped from 4 to 1. Studies back this. Potassium-rich diets like bananas reduce nocturia by 30% in seniors. When to see your doctor. This banana method is safe for most, but if you're on blood pressure meds, have kidney issues or diabetes, chat with your doctor first. Persistent nocturia could signal prostate issues, heart concerns, or sleep apnea, so get checked if no improvement in 2 weeks. You deserve peaceful nights and vibrant days. Try this tonight and let me know in the comments how it goes. Have you noticed fewer trips already? Thanks for watching. Take care and sweet dreams.